Sounds of silence aren't silent at all. Those who can't understand the sounds well, they shall also fall. No recognition of what happens at all. How can it be so many deep thoughts, scenarios could take a hold? Intelligent minds are tortured. So yes, these are not ones who are alone, but all of us, no matter who we are and how different we can be, all can be tortured by ourselves. Inside of our heads, some cope with healthy mechanisms, some cope with the escaping from their reality. The latter coping mechanism is not the answer, but I'm speaking to the choir, right? None of them matter. If we escape reality, the problem is still there. Please seek counsel from yourself, or it does help, it helps me. If not, cancel. Seek healthier ways to get this torture of ourselves under control. If we escaped, this does nothing to help you deal with the torture face, that struggle, that torture head on. I am your friend and you always have my support. Through this all too many people will give up on us. Those people don't matter, even if they family. Their opinions and ignorance do not matter, but maybe stickers and water. But if blood does not support and uplift like they should, then those friends who are like family to you are here for you. This water, as opposed to blood, has more understanding and compassion for your struggle, because they truly have that unconditional love for you. Well, for the most part. But how can we really understand what we think? Unconditional even has conditions. Either way, those have compassion for your struggle, because they truly want you to be you and happy with you, and they will only uplift you and let you know you can accomplish anything as long as you have your heart into it of improving your life. Never forget, success is not anybody else's definition. What is your own definition? And of course, it's not as black and white as that. There's so much going on behind the scenes on this earth that I say, this Mother Earth is disappointing with how many have harmed, hurt innocent children, even before they come out the womb. And Mother Earth also needs a relationship with all of her children. And if you decide against having one needing her, for she gives us what we need, unlike Monsanto GMO. If you want to pick and choose, do it. You might regret it, but all she wants is for you to need her, because she needs you. The Holy Spirit exists within the heart, is what gave us our lives spark. And this has no gender, only the finite thinks in those words and ways. But we've got ears to hear, eyes to see, and that gut reaction, that more need to listen to and take heed. I'm certain you have noticed, and things are a little awry in the world. We live in an anomaly, a pattern, a cyclical thing. But this finite thing we deem as solid matter isn't so solid. Everything is fluid. It must flow. It must change. And so the physical is changing, time becoming timeless. The incorruptible spirit, ethereal, is right at the doorstep of the axis, at the point of the event horizon. Get your heart right. Keep balance calm in this chaos of this storm. Say adios to this old paradigm and the old norms. We going to keep warm. take heed. I'm certain you have noticed, and things are a little awry in the world we live in, an anomaly, a pattern, a cyclical thing. But this finite thing we deem as solid matter isn't so solid. Everything is fluid. It must flow. It must change. And so the physical is changing, time becoming timeless. The incorruptible spirit, ethereal, is right at the doorstep of the axis, at the point of the event horizon. Get your heart!